Good afternoon, all of you. Myself G. Sashwa. I am studying 6th class in MJP by Singer Opera. I am participating club activity. Topic name is Types of Root System. Good afternoon to all. Myself R. Madhip. I am studying in 6th class in MJP by Singer Opera. Now I am participating in club activity. Topic name is Leaf Venation. Good afternoon, all. Myself A. Hardeep. I am studying 6th class in MJP by Singer Opera. Now I am going to participate in club activity. Topic name Parts of Leaf. Topic name is Plant Parts and Functions. This part name is root. The function of root is absorption of water from soil. This part name is stem. The function of stem to give support for whole plant. This green color part is leaf. The function of leaf is photosynthesis and transpiration. This is flower. The function of flower is reproduction. The stalk of the leaf is known as petiole. The leaf where attached to the stem is called as leaf base. The line which is present in the lamina is midrib. The lines which are present in the lamina are veins. The small like structure lines are called as veinlets. The hand-like structure of the leaf is known as lamina. Root systems mainly divided into two types. They are first one taproot system, second one fibrous root system. Now I am going to explain taproot system. Below the stem, one main root is arise and grow into the soil. Lateral roots arise from the main root. This type of root system is called as taproot system. Example of taproot system: rose plant, hibiscus plant, carrot plant, tulasi plant. Now I am going to explain fibrous root system. Below the stem, many roots arises and grow into the soils. These types of root system is called as fibrous root system. Example of fibrous root system: paddy plant, wheat plant. The leaf lamina usually consists of a midrib veins and veinlets. The arrangement of veins and veinlets in lamina is called as venation. Venation is mainly two types. They are reticulative venation, parallel venation. Now I am telling about reticulative venation. Veins and veinlets are arranged in the form of a network or zigzag manner. It is called as reticulative venation. Example: banyan leaf. Now I am telling about parallel venation. Veins are arranged parallelly with each other is called as parallel venation. Example: banana leaf.